So this is going to be part two of Don't Let Him Suck You Dry, or How a Man Sucks You Dry, the benefits that a feminine energy has to the masculine energy that you probably didn't even know, right? Make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to address the masculines and their feelings about the information I post when it comes to feminine versus masculine energy. And I'm also going to address the confusion about toxins in menstrual blood. Okay, so yesterday I posted a video and that was the title of the video. The first thing that I would like to address is my job here. What am I doing here? My job is to present and share information with you in a way that is relatable and digestible so that you can use it in the most beneficial way for your own personal life and your journey. This means that the information that I present, even if it hurts your feelings, even if it's not something that you want to take a look at, if it is the truth, that is what I will be presenting. My job is not to judge you. As a matter of fact, what I'm doing here is creating a judgment-free zone, okay? I'm creating a judgment-free zone so that you can hold yourself accountable to the things and the actions that you are that are taking place in your own personal life. You can ask me whatever questions you want, and I will present any information that you request, which is what that video was yesterday. That was someone asking me a question, and I presented truthful, relatable, and useful information to a feminine energetic who asked about the dynamics between the feminine and masculine energies. Like I said, I'm not here to judge you. I am not your mama. I'm not your mom. I'm not here to tell you what to do. As a matter of fact, I'm here to help you free yourself and to understand that you are a sovereign being and you can do whatever you want to. The information that I'm presenting to you is supposed to help you do that, whatever you want to do. And you have the information so that you can make an informed decision. So if the information that I present makes you feel some kind of way, maybe you should turn inward and ask yourself, why do you feel that way? If I'm telling a feminine energy that if a masculine is interacting with her and taking her energy without giving her something in return that is useful to her, that she is being sucked dry, why does that make you feel some kind of way, masculine? Because most people the people that feel some kind of way about what I said is typically a masculine. Why do you feel that way? I'm not calling you out if that's not what you do. If that's what you do, then I guess the shoe fits. Now, most of the information that I release in this space is gender neutral. They're general messages. However, if I'm asked a specific question about the feminine energy or about the masculine energy, I will answer it. So masculines, if you have a question that you want to ask me about feminine energy or masculine energy or just energy in general, because I am an energy and spiritual expert, that's what I do for a living all my life. Okay, psychology and spirituality and energy work, that's my specialty. So if you have a question, then I can address your question. But don't feel some kind of way about the information that I'm giving, because I will never gatekeep information that is being requested from me. Secondly, I would like to address some confusion about the video that I posted yesterday, okay? It's come to my attention that the understanding of what I meant by the word toxins has been a little confused. So let me give some clarity. Scientifically, menstrual blood does not have toxins in it. When I said toxins, I was referring to two different things, and I should have been clearer and I should have split them up and talked about them separately, but I wanted to get that message out quickly and I used the word toxins very generally. Okay, I've got some other things I'm doing. I'm still working on this identifying generational cycles course. I'm still working on the Getting My Superpowers course. So I'm working on some things, but I also want to answer you guys' questions at the same time. So that was my oversight. That was my bad. I should have been more clear about what I meant. Menstrual blood itself does not have toxins in it. What I meant was the menstrual cycle process, due to the involuntary hormonal changes in the body that happen to the female body, the XX chromosome body. Due to that, there are some emotional releases that take place to help a large stress relief. Okay, it's a stress relief process due to the hormonal changes in the body because of the menstrual cycle. And in the context that I was speaking about stress, stress is a toxin. So when you have your menstrual cycle, you are releasing toxins, which is the stress, again, due to the involuntary hormonal processes that take place because of the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is an involuntary process that a woman has to use her vitality and her energy to have. If she does not have the energy to have it, her menstrual cycle is actually thrown off. Stress throws off the menstrual cycle process. Additionally, menstrual blood actually has stem cells in it. So menstrual blood it has health benefits. And the stem cells that are inside of the menstrual cycle blood are actually, I think they call them multipotent or something like that. You can look that up. But basically it means that the stem cells inside of menstrual blood can be used, or these cells are the building blocks to creating other different tissues in the body. Like these stem cells can turn into bone. These stem cells can turn into fat. or muscle. Okay, so the stem cells in menstrual cycle blood are actually the best stem cells that you could actually have. So menstrual blood is not toxic, and there are not actual toxins being released inside of the menstrual blood. Okay, so I just want to be clear about that. I just want to clear that up. If there was any confusion, I apologize. I should have been more clear. And next time, I'm gonna just slow down and just continue to be as thorough as I possibly can. So masculine energies, if you like a little cherry pie every now and again, if you know what I'm talking about, that actually it's a good thing for you. Okay, to get a little bit of that cherry nectar. Okay, so I hope that clears up any confusion. All right. I want you to understand what I'm doing here. We have been through a lot of traumatic experiences in our lifetime. There's a lot of generational cycles that we have to break. And in order to do that, you need the information to do that. And my job is to give you the information, but to share it in a way that is going to be beneficial and useful to you and your life. I hope this helps. This concludes part 2 of Don't Let Him Suck You Dry. Masculines, I apologize if you feel some kind of way about any of the information that I post when it comes to feminine or masculine energy, but systemically and historically, the masculine energy has been oppressive and suppressive to the feminine energetic, and that's facts. So, what are you going to do about it? Love you. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more, and I'll talk to you next time. Mwah.